I'm Guy Monroe, author of End Public Speaking Panic, Speak Without Freezing. Your time is precious, so I'm going to cut to the chase. The word you fear will free you. There is a word living inside of you right now, a truth, a need, a feeling, a no, a yes, that you've been swallowing back down because it tries to rise every single time. Somewhere along the way, you learned saying it out loud was not safe. And that was something you were taught. It was never the truth about you. Imagine what it would feel like to just finally say, the one thing that you've been holding, to feel it leaving your body and land in the air between you and another person, and to discover that the world does not end, that this relationship does not shatter, that you are still standing lighter than you've felt in years, finally free of the weight of the unsaid. That freedom is not reserved for braver people. It is waiting for you on the other side of one honest word. Here is what I know about you. You were born with a voice that was meant to tell the truth. Your need to be honest, to be heard, to stop editing yourself into silence. That is not weakness. That is your whole self asking to finally be let out. The word you fear is not dangerous. It is the door, and your willingness to walk through it is the only courage you've ever needed. Here is your next step. One click, just for $1, you will receive The Word You Fear Will Set You Free. A 7-day daily exercise, one real action each day, never more than 15 minutes, that walks you from silence and self-editing towards the honest, unguarded expression you were born for. Each day builds. Each step fits your real life exactly as it is. I believe in you. I care deeply about your journey, and I am walking every step of this path right alongside of you. Click the link now. The word you fear will free you. Today, we begin saying it.